Today we're going to talk about a tip, and this is my tip to everyone out there. It's a little bit of a rant. We need to stop the elitist bullshit, okay? Too many anglers these days are totally getting into the elitist ordeal of I need this top end rod or I need this top end material and it doesn't fit me and this guy's pissed because it's made in Korea and it's not made in Korea. It's like, whatever, man. Just ignore it all. If you want top end stuff, that is totally cool. I like really nice gear myself. I'm going to pay for what I can afford. And you should be doing the same thing. If you don't want to spend that kind of money, all the more power to you. Yeah, you can afford it, but you don't want to spend it. All the more power to you. Do not sweat it. But stay out of the tagging people and blaming people for this or that. It's your prerogative, man. Go out there, fish, have a blast. Don't worry about the BS around all the other stuff. Have a good time out there. Join the Fly Fishing Insider podcast on our website, www.ffipodcast.com, or like and follow us here on YouTube. We'll talk to you soon.